Hi, how you doing? Welcome back to another pizza. Today we're going to be doing a tuna pizza. Now what I'm going to do in these videos, if you're not familiar, is I'm just going to build the pizza. If you want to know how to make the dough and the sauce, there's going to be a link below in the text and the videos will pop up at the end. There's a really simple, perfect, every time perfect dough mixture there. So let's get on with this. First, by starting to form the dough in the tray. Okay, so our dough is in its tray. By the way, that's a 12-incher there. And if you followed my recipe for the dough, you'd make 2 of these. So let's get some tomato sauce on there. I find 3 tablespoons perfect for this amount. I don't like too much sauce all over it. Some people drown it in sauce, their pizzas. I don't like that. Just a little smidgen, as I call it, in there. That is great. That's enough for me in there. And the sauce recipe also will be popping up at the end, the video, and it's in the text below. Let's get some stuff on that. So we're going to start off by putting some cheese on. I'm using block mozzarella today. You know, the kind of comes in a block and you can slice it off. If you want, you could be using some grated stuff that you can get in a bag already. And by the way, get your oven on full blast, like really, really hot right now. That's good. Now we're going to go with some tuna. So I've got some lovely tuna, nice quality tuna. It was in some olive oil. You can be using anything you want, I suppose. That's lovely. Now I'm going to go with some sliced onion. I like a little bit of onion on mine. And then we're going to add some olives. Now I'm going to add some black sliced pitted olives, and I'm going to go for a few green. Marvellous, really, really easy stuff. Of course, play around with this and get it exactly how you want. Just at the end, a little bit of dried oregano, and then that's going to go into the oven. That's going to go in my oven, full blast, and I've just got a kind of domestic size, type oven here, for about 6 minutes. See you when it comes out. Okay, and there you go, 6 minutes in my oven. Absolutely wonderful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please do check out the links that are popping up now. I suppose the videos will be popping up now for the dough and the sauce. Lots of love.